You guys, lemonade has so much sugar. Anyways, I really wanted to share this story because I thought it was so funny. So when I was in, it's got a little squeezy thing. Okay, so when I was taking some college courses when I was pregnant with my first kid, there was this girl who sat next to me, and she came in every morning with a bottle of creamer for coffee, like creamer. And she would sit there and sip on it and say, I just love coffee so much. And I thought it was so funny. And I didn't have the heart to tell her that was creamer, but she just kept on drinking it. So every day she would drink like 16 ounces of the full fat coffee creamer, whatever flavor she wanted. And she would just be, Anyways, she gained about 30 to 40 pounds over the next couple months. And I didn't have the heart to tell her, but I thought it was funny. You want a sip? So, anyways, lemonade has way too much sugar. I just like to drink the lemon juice. It tastes like lemonade. It's good.